Hey guys, today in this video, we're going to talk about how to fix unable to verify app error on iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go here to settings, and then you have to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have an active and stable internet connection. The next thing that you need to do is you have to go to general and then iPhone storage. And once when you click it, the app that is causing the issue, you can click on that app. For example, for me, if it's this app, then I'm going to click here and click offload and offload app. Once when I offload and reinstall it, I'm sure the problem is going to sort out. But still, if it doesn't, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to the app store. No, first, I'm going to delete the app first. I'm going to delete it and then I'm going to go back to app store. And once when I go back to app store, let me open it. Here, I'm going to click the name of the app and I'm going to search for it and then I'm going to install it. Even if this does not sort my problem out, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my logo and then I'm going to click on sign out. So I'm going to sign out and then I'm going to log in again. And after logging in again, I'm pretty sure this is going to sort my problem out. So this was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the next one.